So today is my birthday. I actually turned 44. I know I don't look it. I look like 36, absolute tops. But I am on my way up to TMG because Anton and Lou the other day with Johnny, I was speaking to them and they told me to bring my Caddy up today because they've got something in store for it. Now I don't know what is in store for it. They just said bring it up, so hopefully something cool. It will be something cool. Although they might just valet it for me, which even then I would be over the moon with. But I just thought I'd nip into Sano's quickly and get some supplies for the boys because they do some good work, and I hate saying do. Right, learn more better English, John. Well, I got them some donuts, some Pepsi Max, because Pepsi Max is like a drink that everybody should like. If you don't like Pepsi Max, then, especially the cherry one, then there's got to be something wrong with it. Cherry is like a great flavour. And also some Lucozade. So they've got a choice. And I like giving people a choice, but now let's get up to TMG. I'll catch you over there.
So I believe we've got a special appearance today from the Caddy boys. Been told he's pulling up. Here he is. So John did come up to see us like he always does a few days ago. Never really looked around his van properly when I noticed the key element. What was the key element I noticed about your van, John? Scrap all side bars.
Scrap all side bars, that's
so
it.
today we're going to be transforming Mr. Cornbury's van.
We're TMGing
Correct.
the Caddy boys van, aren't we?
And it will be then worthy of the TMG sticker there.
Yeah, I've not put anything on yet because, like you say, it's not.
John, do you like that exhaust or not?
Not really, no.
Do you know what we're going to do? When the All-Track rays arrive, which is a few weeks, we're going to put one of them on as well just to complete it.
Really?
I don't like that.
No, I don't like it. I've said in the...
And that's why I asked you first, because it's not always about what I like, it's about what you like.
No, of course, yeah. I would prefer something a little bit less in your face. It's a bit too... I'm a 44-year-old man. I'm 44 today. 44 today.
Are you?
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thanks, G.
So on your birthday present, we're scrapping all sidebars.
Yeah. But I'm 44 today and I can't be driving around with... Are
you 44, yeah?
Yeah.
Fucking hell, bro, you don't look it.
Cheers, bro. Yeah, 44.
Alison's a lucky man. A lucky man.
I'm not cutting that.
Alison's a lucky lady. Right, so the plan is today for Mr. Cornbury's van, we're going to fit All-Track front, the new one. I believe that he will be the first to have one on his van. Well, I'll tell you a lie, because I've already fitted to one of mine.
Oh, right,
but the first public member to have one on his van, along with the 50 others who we've sold them to, who are going to probably be fitting them this weekend. But the first one fitted by TMG, then we're going to do the arches, and we're also going to put the side skirts on. So it's going to be a very, very good transformation. I always say that I don't like what we don't do white vans, and that isn't aimed at the white man van owner. It was just a private joke, so nothing wrong with white vans. When they're clean, especially with the gloss black that you're going to see pulled out of it, it's going to look sick.
This is unbelievable. This is unbelievable.
Right, big guys, Caddy boys is here for the full TMG All-Track fitting.
We're killing the sidebars, aren't we? How rusty and hanging are these, though? Is that a look at that? Oh, that's hanging. See, I probably could have done this bit at home, you know.
You're doing there, scrapping all sidebars.
Yeah, scrap all sidebars.
Why don't I like sidebars? I'd probably say these are 2 years old. Look at them already. They're already starting to rust. Yeah. And then, I don't know if you can hear that. They've collected something.
Yeah, they collect like road muck, don't they?
Look, there's just shit.
Yeah. No, that's the one thing that has put me off them, because it's like you spend your time refurbing a set of sidebars when they're like 130 quid. Why?
Plus, another ick of mine is when you put these on, you're taking out the factory sealing points on a van.
Yeah.
So your bungs, which should stop. So ultimately, inside your van, this is what's going to be happening to that place where you've opened it.
Yeah.
Like, they're just horrible.
Yeah.
But if you want real side skirts, TMGVANS.Shop.
Link in the description.
So that's where they've been fixed to.
Oh shit, yeah, look.
Look, so they take the bung out.
Oh, it's all falling onto the camera, look.
Look at all the rust.
Oh.
It's like cancer, it's just spreads through.
Yeah, it's rusted that, hasn't it?
So what we will do is, have you got any... There we go. Look. So that's the bracket that holds them on. Can you see all the rust?
Yeah.
Look how bad they've gone. And they're just cheap shit. When I take my finger out of it, it's going to be orange. Or rusty, should I say. Look, can you see it?
Yeah.
Look. Let's get some cavity wax because we don't want it going any further.
Seen the Mark 5 All-Track side skirts? Look at these.
Yeah, so we made these, we cut them down.
Oh yeah, he's just saying, Ads is just saying. We've got a bit of an update on the van, on the Caddy, on the TMGing of it. So the sidebars have been taken off, and now the All-Track kit, they put in like the glue on. I think the All-Track kit, he's panel wiped it all down. Oh look, it's on the back there, look at how sick that looks already. Yeah, that looks sick. So that's all going on now. Definitely needs a polish, doesn't it? Because there's different colours. But the van's minging, it needs a good clean and a polish and it'll look wicked. Yeah.
Polish this will come right back up.
Yeah. What is this? This is my side skirt.
These are your new additions, yeah.
I might have seen them, but there's loads of bodge jobs I've done over here and it's going to hide them all, innit?
Yeah, because we're going to fit them as high up as we can. Obviously, you can't go too high because you're bored.
Yeah.
But we should be able to get it to roughly, yeah.
Ads is like a superstar YouTuber with all his explaining on on YouTube on Anton's videos, thrust into the limelight on Anton's videos, aren't you?
Yeah, try.
The moment I've been waiting for since I got this Caddy, I'm finally getting the All-Track kit. It hides a load of misdemeanors, that Ads.
It does. All the rust stops, all the little bits.
That's it, hiding the rust.
This goes.
Look at that now with the All-Track side skirt, oh it looks sick, doesn't it?
Quick fit this, isn't it? In and out, fast deliveries.
You can't get better than a quick fit fitter, is it? Something like that? Showing my age there. Can't get quicker than a quick fit fitter.
Yeah.
Say that fast. Should I change the wheels? Keep them black, but DTMs. I quite like, these wheels are growing on me. I must admit, I am liking them more and more, but should I change them? They do need cleaning, and obviously, like I say, there's a bit of a difference in the colours because the van is filthy, but this is, these side skirts and this, it's just, yeah, it's going to make it, it's going to elevate the look of the Caddy. And there is some little dints and bits of rust on the wings, which they're notorious for, but hide them. So yeah, there's like little bits on this van, like there's a little bit there, and then a little bit there. And it's like, I could spend a fortune or send it all back and everything. Or, I know it's probably not the best, way to do it, or I just hide it. Like, hide it and then no one sees it, do they? It's never going to be a show pony, although I have got some kind of high-level plans which I need to convince Alison about before I'd even make them a reality. But there is some plans that I have maybe got at some point to do with this, but it means I'm spending money on something else, so we'll just have to see. But it's already taking shape. I can't wait to get it back and get it cleaned and get it on the road. Exciting, what a birthday.
Right, this is the All-Track front, which we're now going to add onto your vehicle.
So these, you've just said that there's not many people that have had these, is there?
No. So the black on the vehicle now is like a primer. With traditional sticker flex, it can come off, but this is solid.
And you've got flexes.
Yeah. Yeah, like a lot more flex.
Yeah.
More elasticy.
Right, Ad's the YouTube sensation. He's getting on it now.
This is the first time that the boys have ever fitted one.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. So there's going to be a bit of R&D.
Look at that. Oh, that looks sick, doesn't it?
The same about the colour, but you know, it's taking your bumper originally. It's miles out.
I know. I've already spoke to Ads. Don't you worry.
So if you do know this van and you painted the bumper, you need to get your colour matching skills corrected. Well, people say that I never do anything. It's all my boys. Yeah, my boys are here, 2 of them. Do I get involved or not?
I thought you said more than we want, and at first.
A7 dub.
Does look sick, that, doesn't it?
Yeah. What we need officially a TMG badge to go on the rear.
Yeah.
Obviously. Okay, front to the other unit, and grab it. As you're walking on the left, there's TMG metal plates that say built by TMG, and a few air fresheners.
Mate,
The All-Track front.
it looks absolutely unbelievable, doesn't it? Yeah. It looks sick.
It's a nice smoker, isn't it?
Oh, it's a show van, that now.
Yeah, it's fresh.
That front splitter there,
Just makes it, doesn't it?
yeah, it's proper nice. So this is it. My Caddy is officially done and it looks unbelievable. If you're thinking of having any of the work done from TMG, then these All-Track kits are sick. They proper set it off. So we can officially put the TMG badge on it. Right, this is a big reveal now. Are you ready for this?
All right, you tubes.
Pulling out Mr. Cornbury's van. As you've probably all seen, he's been for the All-Track front add-on arches, which is our version 1. Version 2 are coming soon for Mark 3 and Mark 4. They're a lot wider, they do look a lot nicer, and the All-Track side skirts. All these items are available exclusively on TMGVANS.Shop. There he is with his camera. What do you think?
Oh my God.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is she pretty?
Mate, it looks so sick.
This is where it all comes off now.
Yes. How sick is it?
JA07 dub. So there you go, sir. Thanks for using TMG. I'll come and prepare your invoice inside.
Yeah, please, yeah.
You know the biggest thing? Happy birthday. There's your birthday present.
Thank you very much, mate. Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's legendary.
But now you've been a big supporter of us from day one. Well, that's the least we can do, mate.
Thanks.
As the business grows, so do the people around us.
Yeah, yeah. No, mate.
You've always been a number one supporter.
But-
Off camera, I'll give you bum a squeeze.
I'll keep that bit in. He's just.
And he actually squeezed
I know, yeah.
You want to?
But no, it's absolutely unbelievable. Look at that now. Absolutely beautiful. Nothing done on back yet, obviously, but that All-Track kit transforms it. Caddy's looking sweet. Just got to clean it now. Well, it's dark now and I'm on my way back home. My Caddy, I'm absolutely over the moon with it. Got to say a big shout out and a big thank you to Anton and the boys from TMG. As per usual, they've absolutely smashed it out of the park. Not only that, just a proper good laugh up here. You just have like fun. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.